Good morning students. Today we are going to start the chapter 4th and the name of the chapter is money. Okay. As this chapter is part of your first term exam. So as we know that there are many things or commodity which are required by the human beings to survive. And an individual cannot produce himself all the goods that he needs to survive. So he depend on others to satisfy his wants. कि जो ह्यूमन बींग्स है वो अपने वॉन्ट्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए अदर्स पे डिपेंड्स रहते हैं. ओके. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरडिपेंडेंस कि हम दूसरे पे डिपेंड हैं वो हम पे है, तो इट मीन्स दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरडिपेंडेंस. एंड दिस इंटरडिपेंडेंस इम्प्लाइज exchange. Okay, so as exchange play a very important role. So what people used to exchange before the money. Okay, जब money नहीं थी तब लोग क्या चीज exchange करते थे. Okay, so before discussing this chapter we will discuss about some history about the barter system. That was a system of exchange of goods. Okay, मीन्स कि जब मनी नहीं होती थी तो लोग क्या चीज़ें कैसे एक्सचेंज करते थे. सो व्हेन द मनी वाज नॉट इन द सिस्टम, सो देयर वाज अ सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. सो व्हाट इज बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज? व्हाट इज बार्टर सिस्टम ऑफ एक्सचेंज? So barter system of exchange is a system in which goods are exchanged for the goods. जिसमें कि goods को goods के साथ exchange किया जाता है. Okay? For example, there is a farmer in the economy. There is a farmer in the economy who produce wheat. Okay? On the other side, there is a shoemaker who make shoes, who manufacturing shoes in the economy. Okay, so if shoemaker need wheat, then he go to the farmer and exchange shoes in terms of wheat. अगर shoemaker को wheat चाहिए तो वो इसको shoes देगा और बदले में farmer है जो shoemaker से shoes लेगा. Okay, so this system is called barter system of exchange. Means it is the system in which goods are exchanged for the goods. Here you can see that farmer gave wheat to the shoemaker and in return shoemaker gave shoes to the farmer. Okay, so both satisfy each other wants by exchanging goods with each other. वो एक दूसरे की wants है जो need है उसको satisfy कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को goods exchange करके. Okay, but what happened with the changing of time as it become for the people, it become difficult for the people to keep stories of goods. कि जो goods है उनको store करके रखना मुश्किल होता जा रहा था. लाइक वीट है, अगर उसी टाइम में पर्सन को कोई दूसरा पर्सन नहीं मिल रहा है जिसको कि वीट की नीड है तो उसको वो चीज स्टोर करनी पड़ेगी. सो इट वाज डिफिकल्ट टू स्टोर गुड्स इन द बार्टर सिस्टम. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो टू सर्च द वी कैन से टू फाइंड द पर्सन ऑफ सेम नीड. कि अब शू मेकर को अगर वीट चाहिए तो उसको ऐसा ही पर्सन सर्च करना पड़ेगा जिसको कि बदले में शूज देश के हो. ठीक है, कि उसको शूज चाहिए एंड शू मेकर को वीट चाहिए तो इसको उसे फार्मर से वीट लेनी पड़ेगी जिसको बदले में शूज की नीड है. अगर ऐसा पर्सन नहीं मिलता है तो वो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, वो अपनी नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर सकता, फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है, सो इट वाज द डिफिकल्ट वी कैन से टू फाइंड द पर्सन विद डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ वांट. कि ऐसे ही पर्सन को सर्च करना जिसकी सेम नीड हो. That was also very difficult. Okay, and also there was the difficulty in we can say to value the goods. कि goods की value करने में भी difficulty थी. Like if a person want to exchange car with the other person, so how we will value in the barter system in terms of goods only. We cannot say that car value is 10 lakh. Okay, nowadays we can say that what is the value of a car. So it is 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, okay. But in the barter system, can we give the value of good in money term? No, obviously, because money was not in the existence, okay. Money थी वो हमारे system में exist ही नहीं कर रही थी. So what was there? The good was exchanged with the goods only. So people used to exchange goods, means a car should be exchanged in terms of horse, buffaloes, etc. Okay. So it was very difficult to give the value of the goods. Okay, goods को value देना मुश्किल था. So these were the difficulty in the barter system. So as there was many difficulty in the barter system. So difficulty we can say first is double coincidence of want, double coincidence of wants कि same wants का person find करना, it was difficult. Second, lack of future payment. It means, for example, nowadays you hire a worker and you promise him to pay 10,000 per month. But in barter system, can the person give money in terms of money only? No, obviously no. Why? Because there was the barter system. It means how to pay in term of goods only. In term of grain, we can say wheat, etc., rice, okay, or vegetables, we can say table, chair, etc., whatever you want to exchange. So it was also difficulty to pay the money in future payment, okay. Then the third, to store, okay, जो goods थे उनको store करने की भी difficulty थी. It was difficult to store the things in good amount. The fourth is difficulty to measure value. जो goods की value है उसको measure करने में भी difficulty थी. As I have given you the example that nowadays we can measure the value of a good. For example, your book of eco is of 300 rupees. So we can give the value to measure the value of goods. But in barter system, it was not possible to measure the value of a good. Okay, if you want to exchange goods, then you have to, if you want to take economics book from other person, so you have to give something in terms of goods only. Okay, so this was the difficulty in barter system, and due to all this difficulty with the changing time, there was the evolution of money. Means जो money थी उसका evolution हुआ. So what is money? Now we will talk about the money. Money होती क्या? What is money? So money is anything we can say that is legally accepted. Money एक ऐसी चीज है जिसको कि legally कोई भी मना नहीं करेगा आपको accept करने के लिए. If you go to the market, you purchase anything, then you give currency, then nobody deny to accept that. Legally उसको कोई भी लेने से मना नहीं करेगा. Okay? So what is the definition of money? Definition of money is it is defined as an instrument. It is defined as an instrument. एक ऐसा instrument है that serve as a medium of exchange. Okay? जो कि क्या करता है, क्या काम करता है? Medium of exchange. Exchange का काम. Store of value, जिसको कि हम value store कर सकते हैं. Measure of value, value को measure भी कर सकते हैं. And a standard of deferred payment. Okay? So money is an instrument that serve as a medium of exchange. So this is the most important function of the money. What is money? Money serve as a medium of exchange. Money क्या काम करती है? Exchange का काम करती है. That is the most important thing about money. Okay? कि मनी को हम किस लिए यूज करते हैं? एक्सचेंज के लिए. हमें कोई गुड चाहिए उसके बदले में हम मनी देते हैं, कोई सर्विस हमें चाहिए उसके बदले में हम मनी में पेमेंट करते हैं. ओके, सो मनी इज दैट व्हाट मनी डज, कि मनी जो काम करती है, क्या क्या काम करती है? मनी इज यूज्ड फॉर एक्सचेंज, मनी इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू, मनी इज यूज्ड एज ए मेजर ऑफ वैल्यू एंड मनी इज यूज्ड एज ए स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डिफर्ड पेमेंट, कि हमें फ्यूचर पेमेंट करने के लिए मनी को भी हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो this is about the money. Now we will discuss about the functions of money. So now we will talk about the functions of money. Okay, means what are the function of money? What role is played by money? So money first function is money act as a medium of exchange. Money है जो medium of exchange का काम करती है. Okay, medium of exchange means money is used for exchange. For example, if you want to purchase pen, okay, so you go to the market, you take pen and you give 20 or 30 rupees. What is the whatever the price of the good, okay, means 20 rupees का या 30 rupees का जो भी price है वो आप देते हो and you take that good. So what role is played by money? It is play a role of medium of exchange. So money is a medium of exchange. Okay. Second is money serve as a store of value. Okay. Money है that can be stored in large amount, but we can see that in barter system there was CC economy. CC economy. So what is the meaning of CC economy? C means commodity. For commodity economy, it means it was in barter system that goods was exchanged for the goods. Okay, so that there was the CC economy, so it was difficult in the barter system to store the goods, but we can say that money can be stored in large amount. You can see now if people want to store their savings, so they can store at their house also. But it was difficult for in barter system that how goods should be stored in large amount, that needs a big place. So it was difficult for the people. Then money is a measure of value. We can measure the value of a good. Okay, now we can say that your book is of 300, car value is 5 lakh, bike value is 1 lakh. But how we can measure the value of goods in barter system? That was also difficult because good was exchanged for the goods. मीन जो goods की value of goods पे ही decide होती थी, उसको हम अलग से measure value नहीं दे सकते थे. For example, if a person take car, then he have to give in return buffaloes, cows, whatever other person need. Okay. Then money serve as a standard of deferred payment. As there is a, for example, there is a contract between two businessmen that they take raw material from one and one person take raw material from the other and he promised to pay the payment in future. So in nowadays it can be given, but in barter system there was no system of future payment. कि future payment का कोई system नहीं था कि जो उनको good चाहिए उसके बदले में उनको goods ही देना पड़ता था. Okay. So these are some important function of money. Okay, and the most important function of money is money serve as a medium of exchange. Okay, as it is considered that paper money is invented by the China. जो पेपर मनी है आज के टाइम में हम बहुत सारे टाइप की करेंसी का यूज़ करते हैं. तो जो पेपर मनी है उसका जो एवोल्यूशन है वो माना जाता है चाइना से. ओके, सो चाइना इन्वेंटेड द पेपर मनी एंड मनी मीन्स anything that we use as a medium of exchange. For example, in India we use rupees. Okay, USA use dollar for exchange. So this is money that serve as a medium of exchange. Okay, so student, read the chapter and also watch the video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask and try to solve the question related to this topic, that what is money. So there should be answer in different option that is given in your book. Okay, so try to solve questions related to this topic. Okay, if you face any problem, you are free to ask. Thank you.